Hi, today I'll show you the propeller shaft, how to connect it to the engine and how to grease it. I got two types of propeller shaft, each with different characteristics. The first one has a sleeve of 10 mm and a shaft of 4 with a bolt at the end of it. The second one has a smaller diameter and it has more components: a bolt, a joint and a bearing. As you can see, the propeller I am using does not fit this shaft, but for now we just need to understand if the propeller shaft is working and if the sleeve fits the model. Another important thing to assess is the length of the sleeves. I just used a cardanic joint to connect the shaft to the motor. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Tagliamare and hit the bell to be notified about my future uploads. The first shaft sleeve is too big and does not allow a proper grade. The 8mm one instead seems doing the job. Greasing the shaft is quite easy, and you can do it also later on. You just need a syringe and a proper grease. I'm using a naval blue grease, but you can even use Vaseline. If you learned something thanks to this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you!